You know those phases in life where everything feels stuck? Your goals, stuck. Your habits, stuck. Your motivation, completely offline. For years, I thought something was wrong with me. But psychology taught me something surprising. Your life doesn't change when you work harder. It changes when you think differently. And when I rewired just a few mindset habits, everything shifted fast. Today, I'll share the 10 mindset habits that transform my focus, discipline, and confidence, so you can steal every one of them. The 1% rule. Psychology calls it behavioral compounding. I stopped chasing big wins and committed to improving just 1% daily. Tiny upgrades, huge consequences. Identity before action. Instead of trying to be productive, I asked myself, what would a productive person do right now? Identity leads, behavior follows. The delay trick. I used to react instantly to impulses. Now I pause for 10 seconds. This interrupts the brain's autopilot loop and kills procrastination at its root. The hard thing first habit. Your morning brain has 2 times more willpower. Doing the hardest task first creates a psychological victory that bleeds into the entire day. Emotional labeling. Stress doesn't destroy you. Avoiding the feeling does. Naming the emotion, this is anxiety, this is resistance, switches the brain from panic mode to problem-solving mode. The 5-minute rule. If a task felt overwhelming, I told myself, just do it for 5 minutes. Your brain hates starting, not doing. 5 minutes removes both fear and friction. The choice filter. Every decision became one question. Does this protect my future or sabotage it? That single filter eliminated 90% of my bad habits. Environment wins. Psychology is brutal. Your environment beats your motivation every time. I removed distractions, simplified my spaces, and made the default behavior the right behavior. The rejection of perfection. I finally understood. Perfection is just fear wearing a clean outfit. Done is always better than perfect, because progress beats potential. The mindset of proof. You don't need confidence, you need evidence. Every small win becomes proof. Proof that you're capable. Proof that you're consistent. Proof that your life can change. Your brain isn't fixed, it's programmable. And the fastest transformations start with the smallest mindset habits. Do these daily, and your entire identity shifts. And once the identity shifts, your life has no choice but to follow. If you want more psychology-backed scripts that rewire habits, focus, and confidence, hit follow. Your next breakthrough might be one mindset habit away.